Navigating U.S. Customs, Manufacturing Machinery. Welcome back to our video series on customs brokerage and international trade. In this episode, we will delve into the topic of U.S. customs compliance for manufacturing machinery and tools. Importing these goods requires a thorough understanding of the customs regulations and best practices to ensure a smooth and compliant process. Let's explore the compliance requirements for importing manufacturing machinery and tools in the United States. Importance of customs compliance. Customs compliance is crucial when importing manufacturing machinery and tools to the United States. Compliance with U.S. customs regulations ensures that goods are properly declared, duties and taxes are paid, and all necessary documentation and certifications are provided. Classification of manufacturing machinery and tools. Accurate classification of manufacturing machinery and tools is essential for customs compliance. Importers must assign the appropriate Harmonized System (HS) code to classify the goods correctly, enabling customs authorities to assess the proper duty rates and regulatory requirements. Researching applicable regulations. Importers should thoroughly research all applicable regulations related to manufacturing machinery and tools imports. This includes understanding specific requirements, permits, certifications, and regulations set forth by agencies such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, or the Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC. Compliance with safety standards. Manufacturing machinery and tools must comply with safety standards to ensure workplace safety and product quality. Importers should ensure that the imported goods meet relevant safety guidelines, such as those set by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, or specific industry standards. Obtaining required certifications. Certain manufacturing machinery and tools may require certifications to ensure compliance with U.S. standards and regulations. Importers should identify and obtain any necessary certifications, such as electrical safety, emissions, or machinery performance certifications, to demonstrate compliance. Compliance with intellectual property rights, IPR. Importers must respect intellectual property rights, IPR, when importing manufacturing machinery and tools. This includes respecting patents, trademarks, copyrights, and other proprietary rights. Importing counterfeit or infringing goods can result in legal consequences, including customs seizures and legal actions. Understanding packaging and labeling requirements. Manufacturing machinery and tools should comply with packaging and labeling requirements. This includes properly securing the goods for transportation, ensuring clear and accurate labeling, and meeting any specific packaging regulations, such as those related to hazardous materials or fragile items. Compliance with customs valuation. Importers should understand customs valuation rules when importing manufacturing machinery and tools. Customs authorities determine the value of imported goods for duty assessment purposes. Importers must provide accurate and complete documentation to enable proper valuation and avoid valuation disputes. Proper documentation and record-keeping. Importers must maintain proper documentation and records related to the importation of manufacturing machinery and tools. This includes commercial invoices, packing lists, bills of lading, certificates, permits, and any other required or relevant documentation for customs compliance. Collaboration with customs brokers. Working with experienced customs brokers specializing in manufacturing machinery and tools imports is highly recommended. Customs brokers have in-depth knowledge of customs regulations, facilitate compliance, assist with accurate paperwork, and ensure a smooth clearance process. Verification of country of origin and free trade agreements. Importers should verify the country of origin for the manufacturing machinery and tools being imported. This is important to determine the applicable duty rates and ensure compliance with any applicable free trade agreements or preferential trade programs. Compliance audits and inspections. Customs authorities conduct audits and inspections to ensure compliance with customs regulations. Importers should be prepared for these audits and inspections, maintain organized records, and ensure that the imported goods and related documents meet all applicable requirements. Continuous monitoring for regulatory changes. Importers should continuously monitor regulatory changes related to customs compliance. Staying informed about changes in customs regulations, duty rates, safety standards, or labeling requirements helps prevent compliance issues and ensures ongoing customs compliance. Training and education for employees. Providing training and education to employees involved in the importation process is crucial for customs compliance. Importers should invest in educating employees about customs regulations, safety standards, and industry best practices to strengthen compliance efforts. Periodic self-assessments. Importers should conduct periodic self-assessments of their import processes. This involves reviewing compliance with customs regulations, analyzing internal procedures, identifying areas for improvement, and implementing necessary corrective actions to strengthen compliance practices. Environmental compliance. Importers must also consider environmental compliance when importing manufacturing machinery and tools. This includes adherence to environmental regulations, proper disposal of waste materials, and compliance with specific requirements for environmentally sensitive equipment. Collaboration with regulatory authorities. Establishing communication and collaboration with regulatory authorities is essential for customs compliance. Importers should seek guidance, establish relationships with regulatory agencies, and proactively address any inquiries or issues related to the importation of manufacturing machinery and tools. Compliance with customs regulations is crucial for importing manufacturing machinery and tools into the United States. By understanding the applicable regulations, obtaining necessary certifications, and collaborating with customs brokers and regulatory authorities, importers can ensure smooth customs clearance and maintain compliance. Thank you for watching today's video, and please stay tuned for more informative content on customs brokerage and international trade.